കാർവാറിൽ നിന്നുള്ള നിയമസഭാ അംഗം നമുക്കൊപ്പം ചേരുകയാണ്. സതീഷ് കൃഷ്ണ സെയിൽ നമുക്കൊപ്പം ചേരുകയാണ്. ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ് MLA. ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്.
Good morning, boss. Good morning.
Yeah. Good morning. Actually, you have helped us a very lot, and our people are frequently contacting you for various reasons.
Everybody is contacting me.
Thanks a lot for your magnanimity putting right information to our channel. Yeah. What is the update now in Shirur?
See, yesterday we have bought a long boom, 60 feet, this Poklane. But unfortunately, in the guard section, it has been struck and pipeline has been leaked. So that has been welded by the driver, and we have already, the vehicle has started another 1 hour. The vehicle reached at the point, Shirur point. Okay. Once it reaches to Shirur point, we will start all the possibilities to explore from our side. And from Delhi also, we have called one radar with what we call as a drone facility that is also reaching by tomorrow morning. Okay, that is what is the radar that drone is doing, that it will capture the film up to 10 meters even though water is fully clay.
Okay.
But I am 100% sure today we will get succeed, because I am having the doubt from the day one that should be in the river side only. And basically it has pushed by the mud with the clay, and truck has been tilted in river. And from the river now we scratch with our machinery, and we will get some hints or logs of this wood. We will get, what is my belief.
Okay.
And by 9:30, 10, the vehicle will reach here. Once the vehicle will reach here, we will start the work immediately. Actually, we have planned yesterday night supposed to start at 7 o'clock.
Tomorrow 7 o'clock.
But unfortunately, the vehicle got stuck with repair. Okay, which has been carried by our machine.
Okay.
Now anyhow, that has been again cleared, and that has been started towards Shirur point. No issue. Now we by 10 o'clock it will start, and I have requested DC and SP to give the opportunity to take all photography to the news media with some facility. They will not come to exactly site, but it should be visible to them what we are operating from today.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Actually,
that also I will do, because unnecessary confusion I don't want to clear with among our people or your people. All of Indian people, India is our one, right? No?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Our viewers are very much.
From that, I want to say you few words that not only your Arjun brother, we have another 2 people from our localite. Still they are waiting from last 8 days.
Yeah, we know that. Actually, we have we are very much aware that you are interfering every minute in this affair. Actually, apart from Arjun, 2 other people are also there. They are to be found out. Actually, thanks a lot for the support you are extending to our people there. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. It's my duty, and it is my government has told me to do this all help, whatever maximum. And I didn't went for session also. CM told me to be at the site only.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
കാർവാറിലെ MLA സതീഷ് കൃഷ്ണ സെയിൽ അദ്ദേഹമായിരുന്നു നമുക്കൊപ്പം ചേർന്ന്. അദ്ദേഹം എപ്പോഴും ഈ കാര്യത്തിൽ യഥാർത്ഥത്തിലൊരു അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞൊരു കാര്യം, അർജുൻ മാത്രമല്ല മറ്റു രണ്ടുപേർ കൂടി മണ്ണിനടിയിൽ കുടുങ്ങിക്കിടക്കുന്നുണ്ടെന്നാണ് അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞു. 3 പേർക്ക് വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ ഇന്ത്യക്കാരെല്ലാം ഒന്നാണ്, നമ്മൾ അതിനകത്തൊരു ഡിഫറൻസിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ല. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഈ 3 പേരും നമുക്ക് ഒരുപോലെ തന്നെയാണ്. ഈ അർജുൻ മലയാളി ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് താല്പര്യം കൂടുന്നു എന്ന് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. എന്തായാലും പാവപ്പെട്ട 3 മനുഷ്യർ തന്നെയാണ് മണ്ണിനടിയിലുള്ളത് എന്ന് നമ്മൾ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നത്. മണ്ണിനടിയിലാണോ വെള്ളത്തിലാണോ എന്ന് ഇപ്പോൾ അറിയില്ല. കുറേ കൺഫ്യൂഷനുണ്ട്. അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് തന്നെയാണ് അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞത്. എല്ലാ മാധ്യമപ്രവർത്തകരുമായിട്ടും ഈ കാർവാറിലെ നിയമസഭാംഗം വളരെ സഹകരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് എന്നത് വളരെ സന്തോഷകരമായ കാര്യമാണ്.